So these are quite the times to be in your line of business now. How would you describe what you see in terms of demand and pricing as we look out to the rest of the year?
You know, demand is very high. We're seeing good, strong farm income, certainly in 2021. We expect that to continue in 2022. And really, that's giving them more money to buy better equipment. And the need for yield and productivity in farming is dramatically increasing. And that drives the need for progressive and more autonomy, more automation, and more precision, which we can bring to all of our customers. And really, with our Case IH brand and New Holland brands, we're able to reach those customers in all parts of the world and bring them the solutions they need. The problem is supply chains are preventing us from being able to deliver as much as our dealers and customers want right now.
So you're finding that demand is actually outstripping your ability to deliver. I assume that's good for prices, but all things being equal, you'd like to sell more at better prices. Let me talk about the trends in the business. It occurs to me that in the past, it was always bigger was better, and that now that's maybe still true to a degree, but now it's more automated is better, more precise, more using artificial intelligence and other things is where the emphasis is. Am I right or wrong?
Well, there's certainly always going to be need for high horsepower tractors and being able to move with pace on the farms. But what you are seeing, and you described it perfectly, is there is a greater need for precision to be able to get more yield and productivity from every farm. And that's the reason we made the acquisition of Raven Industries in November. And we're really excited about what we can do and being able to let those farmers use less inputs and get better outputs, which gives them the productivity they need. And certainly with autonomy and automation coming as well, we're able to help them with their labor issues, and that is offsetting the need for some of the higher horsepower stuff. But really, I think it's both that's needed, and that's really part of the reason our backlog is really carried almost throughout 2022 right now.
Scott, can I ask, why did you leave Polaris for this job? I believe it was sort of November 2020 timeframe. I remember when Polaris shares, they fell on the announcement of your departure. And, you know, like we said, this is now such a strong time for this industry. Can you just speak a little bit about to that transition?
You know, I love my time at Polaris, and it's a great company. But what I love about this job is being able to serve farmers and construction workers. I mean, it's almost noble work that they do, you know, being able to feed the world. And, you know, this was an opportunity to take a company that has great brands and a great reputation and take it to another level of performance. And the first year has been tremendously rewarding. It's a tremendously dedicated team. And watching what they've done to overcome supply chains, it's really reinforced, you know, meeting with the dealers and customers and working with a team that's so committed really reinforced my decision to come here, and I'm certainly excited about what our future holds.
So in a way, you've got every little kid's dream. You've had the dream jobs. You've played with some really wonderful toys, snowmobiles, RVs, ATVs, off-road things. Which do you like riding more, the big tractor or a snowmobile?
You know, I got a chance to actually harvest in a combine this fall, and that's about as exciting as anything I've done. I mean, I'm a diehard snowmobiler, so it's hard to beat that. If you go into ride in the mountains, that's one thing. There's something about a combine that's probably got more computing horsepower than most anything that you work with. It really is quite amazing, and it's a rewarding experience.
Interesting. Scott, thank you. Appreciate it. Good to see you.